I don't think you're gonna have a crate by the time we're done.
You guys. They're in a hard crate in the van. Hey. But I figured I'd be riding up here with all kinds of noise. They didn't make a peep till up here at college. And
is this their first? Well, I guess they've been. This one's been to the vet.
They've all been to the vet, but they were only 10 days old, and they had their mother with them.
Oh, yeah.
So Brutus is the one without the number, correct?
Right.
So I guess I can take that off.
You're okay.
But I still can have his OFA sent in, right? With the.
You need to give him a litter registration number.
So 09.
Yeah, he'll be the last one. You have to have a number assigned to him to send it in.
Hey. Okay.
Right is normal, Nicole.
Yay! So they're all by.
Yeah.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Good job, guys.